Lot number 106 is a 2010 Ford F250 utility bed truck. This unit has been running for over 40 minutes, idling pretty smooth. It does rev up good. I just noticed that it does make a certain noise when you listen to it closely. Listen. It's not a tick tick like a valve or a lifter. For me, it sounds like lack of lubrication, or maybe an oil change will improve it. But it does sound good, but a little louder than normal, like lack of oil. Maybe more of fresh oil change would do it well. Let me rev it up for you so you can hear it. But the motor, I want to make sure that it is what I say it is. You know what I mean? I try to be as straightforward as I can. It revs up nice. Let's go listen to it again. Sort of sounds like a diesel engine, but it's gas. The motor's good. It's not blowing smoke. It does drive, but it's just a little louder than my normal standard. Alright, so let me show you the rest of the truck. The cab is in good condition. The fenders look good, the doors look good, the cab looks good. No damage that I can see. The utility bed, it's a nap hide. It's paint peeling, surface rust. The compartments are good. All the doors open and close. It's got a full-size hitch. The tailgate is bent. It has a dent right there. It's got surface rust, but it's solid. It's okay, it's good. Let me put my hand on the exhaust here. It's even. It sounds good. It's not puffing or anything like that. It's idling good. So the cab is in good shape. Let me show you the inside. The tires look okay. This trim piece on the bottom is hanging underneath the bumper. The front bumper is faded, but it's good. The interior is torn right there, right there. The headliner looks good. The door panels are faded. The dash is good. The steering wheel is brittle. The AC is blowing ice cold. Let me see if I can show you the mileage. Got 118,931 miles. The door panels are faded. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you underneath really quick. Chassis is solid. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. Good luck.